So we're taking that car to Florida. But first, we're gonna visit North Carolina because that's where the in-laws are, and we're staying there for a day or two. Yeah, you want to be in it? There she is. That's the girl. That's the wife. She took a big poop before we left, so she's ready to roll.
Stop it. Brag about it too.
The awesome thing is this strap here holding up the kayak and the noise. That noise is amazing. We don't know what side the gas tank's on, so now we're trapped in the parking lot of Wawa.
Wawa parking lot.
This circus.
Oh God, baby Jesus, help me. Fuck you.
Like a glove. Pit stop number 3. We're somewhere outside of Baltimore. Yeah, progressing slowly but surely. I know that drinking coffee makes pee-pee time happen a lot for me, so pee-pee time it is. I'm not exactly sure what the point of the duct tape was on top of the kayak here. I hope the stepson didn't have any goodies in there, because if there were stuff in there, it's not there anymore. She got us to North Carolina rest station in one piece. How much longer till we get to the house?
2 hours.
Stepson and his genius idea with the duct tape. It's a flapping nightmare down the road. Made it from Philly to North Carolina. She did an awesome job driving. She's exhausted, and I know she's ready to go in the house and lay down and rest her weary bones.
Get a foot rub.
Get a foot rub from her. Lots of empty space to smash golf balls into the wilderness beyond the barn. It's empty, there's no animals in there, so don't worry about that. Just nothingness. Ooh.
Oh. Damn. Imagine getting hit with that shit.
In the fucking head? I'm gonna collect some balls.
Collect some balls. Oh, too far.
In North Carolina, you have to be careful. There's a lot of creatures that can kill you. Some of them, fire ants. Don't step in that shit with bare feet. You'll be fucking hurting. Trees are raining down hell upon us all.
Ow!
The sky is literally falling in North Carolina.
Ow, my tummy shirt.
Good stuff. Go ahead and pull them out.
I'm not pulling them out.
Go ahead, that's it.
No.
Oh, she's a naughty girl. It's time for night night. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night.